Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Explorer's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth setting is enabled. Then, navigate to the sync system on your Explorer's display screen to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is quick and easy. Once you are in the sync menu, select the Add Device option. Your Explorer system will then search for available Bluetooth devices. On your phone, select Sync from the list of found devices. A unique PIN will appear on both screens. Confirm they match. Finally, grant permission for Sync to access your phone's contacts and messages for full functionality. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication and entertainment. Make and receive calls directly through the sync system, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts wirelessly from your device. Use the convenient steering wheel controls to manage calls, adjust volume, and skip tracks effortlessly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the sync system can often resolve minor glitches. Sometimes, deleting old, unused devices from your sync memory can also improve performance and prevent connection problems. Remember to keep your sync software updated for the best experience. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy connecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.